So let's see if we can find 0.0625 inches on our ruler or tape measure. And be careful because over here there's 3/4, so right here is 5/8 of an inch. That is 0.625. Change that to a decimal. Very different than 0.0625. So just be aware of that. 5/8 is 0.625. We're talking about 0.0625. So 1/2, that's 0.5. And half of that is 0.25. So this number is bigger than 0.0625. So we know it's somewhere over here, probably further down. So 1 divided by 8, that's 0.125, and still smaller than that. So if we cut this in half, what we end up with, write it out here, is 0.0625. So 1/16 of an inch right here, that's our 0.0625. If you multiplied this number by 16, you would get 1 whole inch. Kind of makes sense. So if you're looking for 0.0625 inches on a ruler or a tape measure, it's going to be right there at that 1/16 inch mark. That's it. It's Dr. B, and thanks for watching.